My clients are a young professional couple who are passionate about their career, family, friends, so they do a lot of entertaining as well. This is a converted loft space. It was built in 1929 and it's a former glue factory. So when our clients purchased the property, they wanted to just give it a facelift and refresh it and give it a little bit more of a contemporary feel. It had these yellow lacquered paneled doors and a granite countertop that had a little curved detail. It was a very dark space. So the first thing that we wanted to do was work with a clean slate using the existing cabinetry. We painted them white and blue. We were so lucky that we had this great oven and stove to work with, and also the hood. So when selecting our paint colors, we had to take that into consideration too, because it's a lovely charcoal color. And then we did this white backsplash from the countertop to the ceiling, which was an effective way of achieving a great look, but at a cost-effective option as well. The lights are actually very beautifully lit at night, so they're on their own switch, and when all the other lights off, and they just kind of highlight the backsplash and the counter. There was no light on that wall before, so that's something we added, and it definitely has a big impact. Because it's an open concept space, we wanted to have kind of a consistent theme throughout. So blues and brass, mixed metals, lots of texture. That was the overall feel that we were going for the whole open concept space. There's lots of different materials. We layered a lot of fabrics. It's a very functional, comfortable space for the couple. We're situated on the ground floor, and as you'll notice, there's lots of windows, but also there's some carefully selected styled windows that let a lot of the light in, but they're opaque, so we can't see some of the industrial elements that we're surrounded by. The staircase is one of my favorite pieces when I walked in because it's got the warm wood that really warms up the space against the black contrast. There's 3 bedrooms up there and a gorgeous outdoor patio living space.
But it's not ready for us yet.
Not yet. That will be next.